inch hair, yours came in a pack. Camel toe fat, you can see it from the back.
Welcome back with another video. Today I'll be reviewing a wig from Shein. If you're new to my channel, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, turn the post notifications so you never miss a single video. Returning policy. Here's what the hairline looks like. Two combs in the front, one in the middle, one in the back with adjustable straps. It doesn't have a smell. You do get a little bit of lace. It's really soft. You get a little bit of shedding. How much shedding I got from the wig? 13x1 transparent lace front wig, 150% density, short curly human hair, Pixie cut, $37.29. Shipping was 10 days. Quick Blue Bleach. This is the best bleach that I use for bleaching knots.
See you when I get too crazy.
30 volume developer.
Friends, we get too wavy. All I know is that when this cup ends, the next one.
I'm going to spray the hairline with water. Use a little bit because you don't want your knots to not bleach at all. Brush the hairs back so you won't get your hair bleached. Flip the wig inside out so you can prepare your wig for bleaching knots. Pin it down.
You a little post-so baby. You a little 48 baby. Got a little candy in her pocket. She gon' take off like a. You already know.
Make sure your bleach is thick so it won't seep through the lace and get onto the roots. Since this wig is a 13x1, I'm going to bleach the whole frontal part. Leave the bleach on for 15 to 20 minutes. If it doesn't look bleached, leave it on for an extra 5 minutes.
You been on a first name basis. Why you think I hate it when you talk that Drake shit? Same reason that you never left me hanging. Same reason that I tried to make you famous. Same reason that I tried to show you just who I was.
Spray the hairline with water so it could be easier to pluck.
That amazing like me does. Outside of the things that would cause you to judge. Outside of the
Pluck going back. Make sure you take your time and pluck because you don't want to over pluck it. Do not pluck in the same spots because you can create balding.
like me does. Outside of the things that would cause you to judge. Outside of the
Oh, yo, shit, let's go have some fun. Enjoy the show. We in Houston celebrating. We're going to Houston, Atlanta, Vegas. Y'all know the Vegas? Y'all we in Houston. We're definitely going down. Goddamn,
these days, I'm letting God handle all things above. The things I can't change are the reason you love me. Listen, you can hear them calling my name. I'm all over the place. I can't sit in one place. I'm not ashamed at all. Still find finding myself, let alone a soulmate, I'm just saying. Feel like we one and the same, our relationship changed. That it never existed. Whenever they say something about us, you listen. Well, fuck what they talking about on your timeline. That's cutting all into my time. Fuck what they talking about on your timeline. That's cutting all into my time. My time is love. 5 minutes slowly. 5 minutes slowly. 5 minutes slowly. She says you're my everything. I love you through everything. I done did everything to her. She forgave me for everything. This a forever thing. Hate that I treat it like it's a whatever thing. Trust me, girl, this shit is everything to me.
She's buying wax stick to lay the flyaways down.
Just like over you. Thank you. Yeah.
Flatten the top of the wig so your wig can lay down flat and look natural as possible.
Giving your chain away, that's kinda like giving your fame away. What's wrong with you? I sit in a box where the owners do. A boss is a road that I've grown into. I love you to death, but I told you the truth. I can't just be with you and only you. Yeah, I got one Virgil, got one, and that there's the only two, man. How many times have I shown it through, man? How many nights I've been woke, swerving the pot.
Lace tint spray in the color medium brown. I'm putting it on top of the lace so it can look natural.
You're selling your soul, okay? They want my life exposed. They wanna know about the highs and lows. Well, summer all I did was rest, okay? And New Year's all I did was stretch, okay? And Valentine's Day I had sex, okay? We'll see what's about to happen next, okay? Okay, okay, we'll see what's about to happen next, okay? Okay, okay, we'll see what's about to happen. Hey, hey, we'll see what's about to happen. Hey, we'll see what's about to happen. I'm making a change today. The liquor been taking the pain away. I heard you was giving your chain away. That's kinda like giving your fame away. What's wrong with you? I sit in a box where the owners do. A boss is a road that I've grown into. I love you to death, but I told you the truth. Hey, yeah, I got one lawyer, got one, and that there's the only two, man. How many times have I told you the truth, man? How many nights I've been woke, swerving them potholes, not trying to fuck up the wheels or fuck up the deals. I'm posted in Stockholm. It's me
I don't give a fuck who talk behind my back. The bitch knew better than to let me hear.
Hands on my knees, shaking ass on my thighs.